Ayan guys, it's our officially day 3 here in Hong Kong. Tsaka this will be our last day here in Hong Kong na kasi by tomorrow is babalik na kami ng Manila. So ang ating itinerary for today's video guys is magsi-city tour tayo, DIY pa rin siya, within some of the famous spots here in Hong Kong. First plan namin guys is sana pupunta kami ng The Peak as early as 8 or 7. However, ang weather ngayon is medyo makulimlim, so baka hindi natin makita yung view ng Hong Kong. No, so, yung atin na lang unang gagawin ngayon is pupunta mo tayo ng TST para ilikutin natin yung spots na malapit lang doon sa may banda ng Tsim Sha Tsui. Then after that is we'll proceed to Central kasi may bibilhin tayong shoes. Mag-shopping din pala tayo for today's video. So we will be buying pasalubong. Saan ba tayo makakabili ng mga mura at cheap na mga pasalubong at saka mga quality na mga shoes. Ayan, so yung ating agenda ngayon guys is let's move to Tsim Sha Tsui. Doon tayo sa mga free spots somewhere in Avenue of Stars. Dito sa Mongkok, pag umaga, ganito yung itsura. Napakatahimik. But on the evening, nagka-transform ito a very lively street. Medyo gloomy din yung weather today with mother. So, baka i-skip na lang muna natin yung peak tram. Kasi hindi na naman worth it. Kasi fog din naman yung makikita natin. Yeah. Nasa ano na kami guys? Nasa Tsim Sha Tsui na kami na station. So from Mongkok, we took the red line going to Central. Tapos trap at Tsim Sha Tsui. So, exit tayo sa H para mapunta ng Avenue of Stars. Dito sa Tsim Sha Tsui guys, matatagpuan yung infamous na Chungking Mansion. Saan marami doon mga backpackers ng mga hotels. Guys, nasa exit E, tapos you can already see the Chungking Mansions here. Ayan. Ayan. Diyan sa building na yan, you can see a lot of cheap and budget-friendly na hotel. Dito lang, straight, going to the Avenue of Stars, Cultural Center, and the rest. As you can see guys, foggy siya. So, going to the peak right now is not worth it. Kasi wala tayong makikitang view. Guys, medyo malamig yung weather ngayon. Sa 20 degrees, pero yung hangin is medyo malamig konti. Pero tolerable lang naman siya, guys. Ito na yung guys, yung cultural center na Instagrammable spot. Si mother, naka-post na siya. Dito na tayo sa Clock Tower, guys. Mother dear is mothering. So from here, pwede na natin i-follow yung route all the way to the Avenue of Stars. The Cultural Center, and then the Clock Tower. Yeah. These are two of the famous spots here in Tsim Sha Tsui. Guys, from that Clock Tower, akyat kayo dito. Diyan, may hagdanan dyan. Tapos para sa lang may second floor here. And then you get the view of the harbor. Mother is there. So during 8 p.m. at night, kakaroon dito ng light show. So yung mga building na yan sa harap, nagkakaroon yan ng lights. So unfortunately, doon si Victoria Peak. So foggy ngayon guys. So hindi na tayo tutuloy doon kasi wala din naman tayo makikitang view. Diyan guys. Diyan sa may stairs na yan, during 8 p.m., diyan umuupo yung mga tao para manood ng Symphony of Lights here. This is at the Tsim Sha Tsui's Avenue of Stars. Mothering! Tugnaw, ma'am. Medyo malamig yung hangin, guys. Pero carry lang. Tolerable lang naman. No? Kasi compared sa na-experience natin sa Sapporo. And guys, this is the iconic spot, no? If you will see like this, the statue, nasa center ka na ng Avenue of Stars. Mother! dito sa Avenue of Stars, may makikita pang mga kamay ng mga artist daw po yan. Yeah, yan. Kaya siya tinawag na Avenue of Stars. No? Kasi the entirety of this area is puro mga hand shape ng mga artist. Si mother, isa ng artist Guys, ayan, along the Avenue of Stars lang siya. May mini pop-up store here, oo, na on. And then, yung product nila guys is parang newest release. Hi, oo. Oo. They are waving yung mga crew staff. Ayan. According to the staff, meron daw on store dito sa may K11 Museum Mall sa second floor daw, 202. And at the same time, meron ding flagship store sa may Queen Street sa Central. No? So, dito sa Musea, 11 at 12 noon pa mag-open. However, in Central, it's open at 10 a.m. Tingnan mo yung daan nila. Oh. Painted nila ng green. Tapos, this is brought to you by On Cloud. On. Kasi parang ito yung kulay ng newest nila na product sa On. The Cloud Monster 3. Ganda siya. Nasa loob na kami ng K11 Museum Mall, guys. Right now is going na kami ng Central. Papunta na tayo ng On store, yung flagship store ng On dito. Kasi open na siya. So hopefully, may mabili tayo na shoes ngayon. Guys, nasa Central na kami. So according to the map, exit na daw tayo sa Chater Road. Ayan. Tapos check natin sa Google Maps kasi walking distance na lang yung On Store Cloud. Guys, andito kami ngayon sa Jollibee. Amazing ng Jollibee guys kasi lahat ng mga crew nila, Pinoy lahat yung crew. Tsaka lagi kami nakakita. Ang daming Pinoy dito. Okay, we are having our lunch with mom. Early lunch, late breakfast. Ang daming Pinoy dito sa Central guys. Kasi dito kasi yung lahat ng mga OFW, most especially pag weekend, nag-gather. So parang may gathering sila dito. So right now, ang daming Pinoy talaga sa Central. Parang nandito na tayo yung Filipino community sa Hong Kong. Guys, ayun na. If makikita mo na yung Lululemon, andyan na yung On Cloud. Guys, nandito na tayo sa On Cloud. Katabi lang siya ng Lululemon. Lululemon On. Okay. Ito yata yung parang bago nila na bagong release na tawag ito, design. Guys, ito na yung pricing ng On dito sa Hong Kong. This one is 1,990 Hong Kong dollars. So, nasa almost 14K pesos. Then, ito yung bago nila na release na model. It's 1,690. So, as per computation, nasa 13,000 po. Ito yung bago nila. Yung double cloud tech. Oh. Grabe nila. Ito, 1,490. In fairness dito, maraming magagandang designs. Ito, ang cute nito, oh, color violet. How much is this? At 1,490 siya, guys. Wow, ang ganda. And this one also is nice. 1,290. Mura lang to. Nasa mga 10,000 po to 11,000. Okay, on this side, ito, my green. 1,690 siya, guys. Ito. This one is 2,190. Nasa 15,000 na ito. Ang mahal. Ito, ang ganda ng kulay. Nice. Nasa ano po? 1,290 lang po. Oh. Guys, ayan. Nakabili tayo ng 4 On shoes. Yan, tayo pasabay tayong dalawa. Sa akin yung isa, saka yung isa kay mama. Ma, kumuhang isa. Guys, after pala namin kanina nag-shop sa On store is umuwi muna kami ng bahay, ng hotel. And patulog muna kami sandali. And after this is, yan, we're now back outside in Mongkok. So ngayon ang ating agenda is pupuntahan natin yung isa sa mga cheap store to buy pasalubong him. It's somewhere in Shinsatsui. It's called Best Mart 360. Yeah, so imagine. Guys, we are now here at the Shinsatsui. It's somewhere in nilabasan natin guys is exit H upon arrival sa Shinsatsui station. So right now is i-Google map na lang natin yung papuntang Best Mart 360. Guys, dito sa Shinsatsui dyan sa Elegant Angelos, may mga mura dyan na mga pasalubong. Diyan kami namili ng last pupunta dito. Malapit na sa Chungking Mansions. Ayan. Yung area pa lang guys is you turn left from the Shinsatsui exit H. Tapos when you see Adidas, dito lang sa may alley. Ayan. Lakarin nyo lang din, makikita nyo na itong Best Smart 360. Dito tayo mamimili. So ito yung mga bentahan nila ng mga prices sa mga nuts. Meron silang pistachio nuts dito guys. 69. Yeah. Okay, may mga kape din. Starbucks coffee. Yan. Sila guys, ito. Ferrero Rocher, Lindor. Japanese chocolate. Meron silang Dubai chocolate dito. Okay na. $39 lang. Then ito, Dubai chocolate style pistachio. $18. Then may pistachio almond. Bongga ito. Ito yung pasalubong na nakita ko sa Facebook na masarap daw. This is lava omelette with egg yolk flavor. So mura lang siya dito guys. It's $30 for 2 packs. Kasi isang packs is may isang dosena. Sa Mongkok nito guys, $30 siya. Isa lang, one piece lang siya na box. One box lang. Unlike here is dalawa lang mabibili mo for $30. For 30 Hong Kong dollars. No? So very cheap dito sa Best Buy Mart 360. Ayan guys, so nakapamili na tayo ng mga pasalubong. This is worth $305 Hong Kong dollars. So we will be heading back to Mongkok again at the hotel to leave this. Tapos mag-explore around na tayo within the area of Mongkok. Doon tayo magdidinner. Ito namin nag-left sa ating bag. Dito ka sa Sneaker Street na. So maglibot-libot na kami ngayon dito sa Mongkok guys. Yung aming hotel is just located within the area of Mongkok. So ang daming ganap dito sa Mongkok guys. Ang daming shopping stores. Tapos may mga kainan din. May Sasa, may Lufong, may Macdo din. Tapos doon sa kabilang street is yung Sneaker Street na. Tapos dito guys is the latest night market. So marami kang mabibili here. So later pasok tayo, bili tayo ng mga some souvenirs. Final souvenirs. Para sa mga tears ni Mama. Ating goal ngayon is maghanap ng kainan. Mahanap na ng makakainan. Kasi dinner time na almost. Is within our accommodation din pala guys. Malapit na sa aming accommodation. Yung Sneaker Street. Maraming mga bentahan dito ng sapatos. Okay guys, nakita ko itong dim sum here. Ito yung nahanap namin na store. Dim sum. Yung mga pricing dito sa dim sum here. Of course, Hong Kong will not be Hong Kong without trying the authentic dim sum. Sa likod. Ito yung in-order natin. This is cured meat. Yeah, this is, I think, 40 Hong Kong dollars. This one nasa mga 32, 28. And dessert po, nasa mga 32. Kay Mama is chicken feet, 40 Hong Kong dollars. So overall guys, lahat ito is 200 Hong Kong dollars. Nasa mga 1.5 lang. Guys, look at yung food waste namin. Wala nang natira. Guys, busog tayo with our last dinner here in Hong Kong. Finally, nakatry na din tayo ng authentic dim sum from Hong Kong. Lami, Ma? Ma? Lami? I-rate daw, Ma. Pila man 1 to 10. Pila yung kalamion?
9.99.
9.99. Actually, masarap siya guys. No? So, worth it yung lakad natin kanina. All the way up to the dim sum here. So, if you will be coming here in Mongkok, do not forget to try dim sum here. Masarap siya. Fairness. So, after namin kumain ng dim sum here guys, is we are back in our accommodation. Kasi tired na si Mother. So, isa yan sa mga, pag may kasama tayo senior, bawal ang night gala. So, babalik na kami sa hotel guys kasi maaga pa kami bukas. Kasi bukas na yung aming flight pabalik ng Philippines. Guys, pa-check out na kami ni Ma'am. It's 5 a.m. so maaga tayo ngayon kasi maaga yung flight. So, since wala pang train is magbabas tayo. Good thing is malapit lang yung bus terminals. Yung bus stop ng 821 dito sa ating accommodation. Ayan. So, from here, dito na tayo sa left side. Nandiyan na yung Nathan Road. Diyan na yung ating bus stop going to airport. Is Jana Street, yung Fortune Hotel. Then isang kanto lang, tapos sa harap, dito na yung bus stop going to airport. Sa harap lang siya ng Grand Palace na hotel. So very strategically located talaga yung Fortune Hotel, guys. No? So sulit talaga siya na accommodation. Malapit sa transportation, malapit sa mall, malapit sa subway lahat. So yung A21 na bus yung sasakyan natin, guys. Going to the airport. Guys, ayun na yung bus natin. That's A21 going to the airport. It's a double-decker bus. Kuya pala, Terminal 1. Ma! So after 50 minutes, guys, we have reached the airport. So unfortunately, hindi nag-work yung C-Bank ko o yung Maribank card sa A21 na bus. However, yung GoTime nag-work naman siya. So I was worried kasi wala na akong dalang cash. Buti na lang yung aking isang credit card, yung Union Bank Platinum Mastercard is nag-work siya. Then yung Metrobank Travel Visa, hindi rin siya nag-work. So just bear in mind, prepare cash on hand na lang, guys. Baka magka-problema sa card. Hong Kong is very efficient, guys. So everything, yung bag drop natin, yung ating check-in, is done on the app sa Cathay Pacific. No? So doon na din tayo nag-process ng ating self bag drop. Then we'll head now to the boarding gate. Magla-lounge muna tayo, guys, kasi meron tayo free access lounge using my Dragon Pass. Napaka-smooth ng check-in, guys. Mga wala lang yatang 15 minutes na sa boarding gate na kami with ma'am. Including security check, bag drop, tsaka yung immigration. No? Very efficient Hong Kong. May dalawang lounge dito sa Hong Kong Airport na with access to our complimentary Dragon Pass. So the other one is on the gate 1 and the other one is on the gate 95 sa Plaza Premium Lounge. So malapit na talaga siya sa guys, gate 1. Wow, madaming tao. I'm now already at the gate. Madaming food, nakabuffet. Hanap pa na tayo ng desk kasi wala pa tayo nakikita ng desk. Talo na tayo. Spacious yung Plaza Premium Lounge pa. However, maraming mga tao. So these are the food choices here, guys. Ayan, may beverage section. Cereal. They also have wines here. May coffee, beer. Dito, guys, may coffee. Tapos tea. Then, dito banda yung buffet nila. So they have breads, croissant, egg. Oh, they have siomai. Then here, sausages. Yeah. Pasta. Here is condiments. And salad and vegetables. In fairness dito sa Plaza Premium Lounge, malaki siya. Very maraming tao, guys. No? Particular, na-accommodate pa rin naman tayo. May available seat pa naman for you. So if you have cards, guys, no, na may complimentary siya na lounge access, use it na sayang. Kasi sayang siya pag hindi mo siya magamit. So especially pag may mga annual passes ka sa Dragon Pass, Priority Pass, Lounge Key, etc. So make use of it, guys, sa mga international airport. No? Do not use this or do not use that on the Philippines kasi for me hindi worth it yung mga lounge sa air sa Pilipinas. No? So if you have that kind of mga privileges sa yung card, avail it, no? Kasi yan yung one of the perks that you can enjoy. Right now is magsastay muna kami sa lounge ng 1 hour and maybe we'll have breakfast here before kami mag-proceed sa boarding gate. Yung boarding gate pala natin is nasa gate 50 pa siya. Guys, ito yung kinuha ko. Oh my God, siomai for the win and a Hong Kong style noodle. So in the lounge, we'll now be heading to the gate lounge number 50. 50 tayo, guys. Pag nasa gate 1 yung ating lounge, so we still have 50 gates to visit. Guys, nasa loob kami ng train going to the boarding gate kasi malayo siya. We will be looking for the gate 50. Guys, we found our boarding gate. Ayan, boarding gate number 5, bound for Manila. We are now boarding. Ayan. So the plane will depart at 9 a.m. Napaka-efficient talaga ng Hong Kong, guys. On boarding, hindi na pinapakita yung boarding pass. Hindi na pinapakita yung boarding pass. Facial recognition na lang siya. Very efficient Hong Kong. We are now boarding Cathay Pacific. Guys, so we are also flying with it's still 770-300 ER. Just like the same aircraft when we head here to Manila, at the Hong Kong. Flying time is 1 hour 30 minutes.
You can find any
Look at the entertainment, guys. Meron silang the housemaid. Perfect. Maganda to na feel. They also have Running Man. And sa Tupia too, mga latest to. Perfect. Flight time is 1 hour 37 minutes.
Take a moment to familiarize yourself with your nearest exit.
請留意，我哋嘅機艙服務員正為你指示逃生出口。
So, breakfast is available. We have just landed Manila, guys. So this marks the end of our Hong Kong trip. Oh my God. So we are done with our first trip for this summer period. But there's still 5 trips more. Flight to Davao pa pala, guys, is around 6 p.m. pa. So I thought 4 yung nakuha ko sa dinami-dami pa naman ng mga bookings ko sa Suntok. Hindi ko na memorize. So we have 6 hours to kill here in Manila. We are now currently here at Paris Phuket. So after we landed from Hong Kong, nagpusin kami dito, guys. Ang dami na po ng mga restaurants dito sa Naiya Terminal 3. No? So sa may ano to siya, right side of the wing of the airport. Nasa second floor siya, level 2. So marami kang mga makikita dito na mga food court, no? So this is one of the improvements from the new owner of Naiya. So if you have ample of layover time here, you can check here, guys, and you can buy some good foods here sa Naiya Terminal 3. It's improving. So right now is we'll be waiting for our flight to Davao. Ayan, so that's it for our entire trip here sa Hong Kong. So our trip to Hong Kong was just very short. 3 nights lang siya in totality. Not just to visit some of the highlights lang of our trip dito sa Hong Kong at saka sa Macau. Since hindi naman tayo makapag full pack sa ating travel since senior citizen yung kasama natin yung mom ko. So that's all for this trip. See you again on our next travel. Bye-bye!